Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So, living here in France and opportunities to adorn Indian traditional wear are definitely few and far between. So, I couldn't pass up the chance to wear this today. And as a devout follower of Sanatan Dharma, reacting to a cinematic visual of something as sacred and monumentally cultural as our epic Ramayana demands an authentic reverence and homage. Now, let me be entirely candid for a moment. When the initial teaser and the early glimpses surfaced, I was admittedly skeptical. The CGI appeared unpolished and the visual effects lacked depth. However, after hearing the news that Namit Malhotra has entirely revamped the visual fidelity, teamed up with none other than the Sony Pictures, and has released this ultimate trailer at the sacred Brahma Muhurat, the expectations have skyrocketed. The sheer ambition to take our sacred heritage to a global stage is nothing short of breathtaking. So, for me, what makes this adaptation so compelling is its spiritual duality. On one hand, we have Ranveer Kapoor embodying the calm aura of Lord Rama alongside Sai Pallavi's grace of Mata Sita. But on the other hand, the internet is going crazy over Yash playing Ravana. And for context, Ravana was not just an even personality, he was a supreme scholar, master of the four Vedas, and an ardent devotee of Mahadev. He possessed unmatched intellect and power, yet his flaw was his towering ahankar. And also the fact that seeing a powerhouse actor like Yash playing this character definitely looks like a menacing titan. And also a great news with Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman. So let's dive straight into the trailer.
तुम्हारा नया राजा
Whoa!
देवलोक,
My goodness.
पृथ्वीलोक, पाताल लोक, तीनों लोकों में एक ही राज होगा।
Whoa!
जब जब सृष्टि पर संकट आया है, भगवान विष्णु ने अवतार लेकर उसकी रक्षा की।
मेरा ज्येष्ठ पुत्र राम।
Wow, nice
विश्व
transition.
कल्याण के लिए यदि मेरा अंत भी हो जाए तो भी मुझे स्वीकार है।
Lakshman Ravi has done a wonderful job.
निर्णय मैं ले चुका हूं। एक पुत्र होने के नाते अपने पिता के वचन का पालन करना मेरा कर्तव्य है।
तुम्हारे लिए 14 वर्ष का वनवास।
Very pretty.
उस वचन का क्या जो आपने मुझे विवाह के समय दिया था। अब हमारा भाग्य एक है और भाग्य में जो भी लिखा है मुझे स्वीकार है।
She's speaking so good Hindi. Didn't expect this out of Sai Pallavi.
जनस्थान की
Ravan
राजकुमारी
has my heart.
सूर्पनखा वो मोहित हो गई है आप पे।
राम से प्रतिशोध लिया जाएगा शूर्पणखा। न राम की मृत्यु साधारण होगी, न उसका अपमान।
रावण तीनों लोकों का स्वामी है तो तीनों लोकों के सामने उसका वध करूंगा।
Wow.
मैं अपनी सीता को वापस लूंगा।
goodness, he has this avatar of Mahadev and Ramayana looks menacing. The casting is really good, I feel. Oh.
ये राम के युग का आरंभ है।
Guys, I think I'm speechlessly awestruck. But what we just witnessed is not just merely a Bollywood movie. This is going to be a milestone. And I also think that it elevates the storytelling capacity of the Indian cinema to a different plethora. I think after the teaser, the producer heard our constructive critics, took their time, and reworked every frame and delivered the masterclass trailer. I also feel the texturing and the lightning sequence in the forest, also the battle scale, and especially the sequence of Lanka. Everything felt immersive and authentic. I think beyond all this is a profound maturity of Nitish Tiwari, and casting Yash as Ravana, guys, is a masterstroke. He looks terrifying, menacing, and someone that cannot be stopped. Well, I'm not still satisfied with the casting of Ranveer Kapoor and Sai Pallavi, whereas Ravana is doing a direct justice to the audience. And while all these reviews were going on, I stumbled upon a picture of late Sushant Singh, and he perfectly was fitting the role of Lord Rama. However, Ranveer Kapoor's effort has not gone in vain completely. I can see some side of a very natural actor instinct in him, but however, Lord Rama was quite young, and I feel that Ranveer Kapoor is a bit misfit. I feel this Diwali history is going to be rewritten in cinemas. What was your favorite frame from the trailer? I am definitely sure you're as mesmerized as I am to see Yash as Ravana. But apart from all this, we did not see any glimpse of Lord Hanuman, which we have been dying to see. And that is all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you so much for tagging along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.